'cause I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, and welcome to another Shop My Stash video where I show you guys my kits for the next month. This is my own personal makeup kit. Of course, I have all my other makeup stored in my vanity, but the last couple of months I've been putting together a kit for kind of like my everyday makeup that I can just grab whenever I'm doing my makeup rather than digging through all my different drawers. It's just a lot easier, it's more convenient this way, and I feel like I actually use a product this way because I'm pretty much only using the stuff that I put in here every month, and I like to switch it out. I did a video like this, I think in the beginning of September. I will link it down below if you're interested. These videos are like pretty popular, I feel like, on YouTube, so I like watching them, so I figured you guys may like watching them. So yeah, if you want to see what I'll be putting in here for like my everyday makeup this month, then just keep watching. Alright, so we're going to do another one of these Shop My Stash videos. This is my current situation. It's kind of a mess, I know. It's really bad. It's just like a mess. It's dirty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out all of this stuff in here. I'm just going to take everything out. And then I'm going to wipe everything down, get out any of the makeup and powder that got in here, and then we'll start replacing some of these products with products from my collection. Basically, I'm going to try and use up some of the products that I have in my collection rather than buying new products every month. So yeah, I'm basically replacing some of this stuff with stuff that's already in my collection because I buy too much stuff and then it ends up, the stuff that I already had ends up not being used. So we're gonna figure this situation out right now. Okay, so for concealers this month, I'm actually going to be putting in these Benefits Boing Cakeless Concealers. I have shade 4 and 5. These are something I'm testing out right now. Benefits sent me these, and I actually always wanted to try them, so I used them once. I really liked the one time that I used it, and it wasn't even a full glam look, so I'm excited to try these out a little bit more. So I'm going to put these in there as my concealer. For foundation, I'm going to, I think, use these two. I'm going to try layering them and see if I like it. But this is shade 4. It's a Hello Happy Air Stick Foundation, and this is the Wander Beauty Foundation. I feel like these would work well together if I layer this first and then go in with this. But we'll see. I don't know if I'm going to like that combination. Okay, I think I'm also going to throw this foundation in there. I used this for the other day for the first time in a while. It's the Maybelline Super Stay, I think, 24-hour full coverage foundation. And I'm going to put this in there for days that I need my makeup to last a little bit longer. I love this foundation, but it doesn't last super long. So I think I'm going to put in this one as well. For cream contour, I'm going to put in the Huda Beauty Tantour and Fair. I have not used this much. I only use it a couple times on myself. I've used it on clients because I have one for my kit as well, but this is my personal one, and yeah, I really never use it, so I'm going to try and use it this month. As far as powders, I'm going to put in the Makeup Forever Velvet Skin Powder. This is really good. I'm also going to put in the Maybelline Fit Me powder in Fair to set underneath my eyes. This is a really nice brightening powder for underneath the eyes. I really like it, but I also want to add in a translucent powder as well. I'm going to add in the Cover FX Translucent Lights for days that I want to kind of bake my face a little bit. As far as bronzer, I'm going to put in the Benefits Bronze Squad palettes. This has Hula and Caramel. It also has Cookie, so that's going to be my highlighter. And MAC Pink Swoon is going to be my blush. But I'm also going to keep this in here as well. I used this last month and I really like that blush shade. This is the Monica Dar blush and bronzer. So these are going to be my blush. But yeah, I think for bronzer I'm just going to use the Benefit palettes. Just want to mention, I am taking out the Fenty Beauty No Filter powder. I pretty much have none left. Well, I have a very little amount, so I may, I don't know, I guess I'll use it up one of these days. I'm also going to keep in my e.l.f. powder because why not? I don't know. I just feel like, why not? As far as primer, I'm going to do the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer. It's the 12-Hour Makeup Grip Primer. Yeah, I think I'm going to use this because it's literally a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip. It's like the same thing. For days I want to be a little bit more matte, I'm going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte. I still have a little bit left of this, so I'm just going to use this Make It Last Setting Spray by Milani. For brows, I like the Benefit Cub Brow, but I also go in with the pencil as well, so I'm just going to keep this in there. All the stuff up here is pretty much going to stay the same. I have mascara, brow setter, I have my brow pencils, I have liner. This has been my go-to liner. It's the One Size Beauty liner. I also actually do want to talk about this real quick. This is the Kiss, so this is the Kiss glue liner. This is really, really good if you want to put on lashes super fast. It's a glue and a liner in one. So yeah, all that stuff is gonna stay the same. I have lash glues here, Duo and some random ones. I have Gimme Brow in here as well. And what else? Oh, so for shadows, I was going to put these in my kit. I did use them on a couple clients, but I decided ultimately I'm going to keep these because honestly, I like them a lot as like everyday palettes. They're just really good. So this is the Going Coconuts palette by ColourPop, and this is the Making Mauves palette. So those are going to be my shadows for my kits. For lashes, I'm going to use these. I love these. They're so good. They are the Kiss Lash Luxtensions collection. This is in the shade this is in the style Russian Volume. They're just beautiful everyday lashes. But I have to throw these in there as well because I've been loving these for my more dramatic days. So a makeup artist friend of mine actually sells these. They are in the style Boss Babe. She has other styles as well, but I've really been liking these. So these are going to be my lashes. And I think we're on lips. I think that's all that's left is lips. So, okay, so for lips, I have Toasty by Morphe, which is one of my favorite lip liners when I want to do somewhat of a darker lip. We also have the Il Makiage Carly Bible collaboration. We have both the, what shade is this? This is Bible, and then we have Luna, which are two of my favorite lip liners. I'm going to throw in e.l.f. I'm going to throw in this lipstick by e.l.f., which is the e.l.f. Seriously Satin lipstick in cream. I've heard so many people talk about this. It's like a really pretty nude. So I'm going to put that in there. And one of my favorite OG fall lipsticks is Touch of Spice by Maybelline. It is a really pretty color. Honestly, in the tube, it doesn't look that great, but on the lips, I feel like it's a perfect fall shade. So I have that. I'm also going to throw in Stone by Dose of Colors. This is the velvet version. And then for gloss, I have the MAC Oyster Girl. I also have Can You Not by Dose. And I just got this, so I'm just going to throw it in. It's Citrine by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm actually going to put my lip liners up here just so they don't get lost. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for my kit this month. Yeah, I don't think I need to add anything else. I think that's pretty much it. So I did want to mention my brushes that I've been using. I'm still really into the xoxo beauty brushes. I do have a discount code. It's always in my description box if you're interested in some good quality brushes. They have all different sets. They even have vegan sets as well. But yeah, I've basically been using a combination of those brushes and the Jaclyn Hill Morphe brushes. I also have random brushes in here. Like this is a brush, it's basically a knockoff of the NARS brushes, but I got this on, where did I get this? AliExpress for like $4, and it's literally the same thing as the NARS brush. So really been liking all of these brushes. These are like my go-tos. I have all my eyes in here. I just got this thing at Home Goods if you're interested. I already had one and then I found a second one. So yeah, I really like it because it keeps the brushes in like their own little section. So I have eyes in this section. I have like blush and bronzer and stuff in here. And then I have like powder brushes back there. So yeah, just wanted to mention my brushes for the month.